Are you a man, a woman, or a young adult in search of a very good, affordable face cream that you can use on your face morning and night? In today's video, I'm going to be giving you my five best face creams for daily glowing skin. These face creams, they are affordable, they will protect your skin, nourish your skin, moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin. These face creams can be used by fair skin, caramel skin, and dark skin. So if you have oily skin, if you have dry skin, if you have normal skin, I'm going to be pointing you to the exact one that you should be using. Now, the key thing to know when you want to get a very good face cream is the ingredients that your face cream contains. A face cream doesn't need to contain multiple skincare ingredients. A good face cream that you are supposed to be using on your face daily has to have key specific ingredients in them that are going to help to smoothen your face, to give you a glowing skin, to give you that radiant, smooth, youthful face. So these face creams we are going to be talking about today, they are face creams that contain some specific type of skincare ingredients that will help to plump your skin, that will give you that poreless face effect, that will give you that glowing skin, that youthful, radiant skin. These face creams are affordable, okay? So I want you to know that when it comes to skincare products, a lot of times it is not about the price of the product. It is about buying your skincare product knowing exactly what you are looking for. So that is why I'm specifying these face creams. What they do for your skin is to glow your skin, is to smoothen your skin, is to nourish your skin, is to moisturize your skin, to protect your skin barrier, to give you a youthful, radiant look. And these are face creams you can use daily, every day. You can choose to use them morning and night. They are also brightening face creams. These are face creams that will maintain your natural skin complexion and glow your natural skin complexion. These face creams contains the key ingredients that your face needs on a daily basis to keep looking youthful, to keep looking radiant, and to keep looking nourished and moisturized. So I have these two here. These are the two that I'm using currently. They are part of the list, but let me talk about the other ones. These are going to come up later. Now, the first one I want to talk about is for people with oily skin. Now, what I mean by oily skin, you have acne prone oily skin. Any face cream you use, any type of face cream you try to use breaks you out. You have tried a lot of face creams and they keep breaking you out. Get this particular face cream and you are absolutely going to love it. I've had a lot of my clients from personal consultations that got this particular face cream, and it was so good on their skin. And that is the isntree green tea fresh emulsion moisturizer. This is a very good, beautiful moisturizer. It helps to moisturize your skin, but the key thing this particular face cream does is to help to reduce oil and moisture production on your face. Because if you have acne prone skin like I do, okay, one thing we usually struggle with is excess oil sebum production on the face. You notice that your face is always oily. Even if you rub any little thing, your face is always shiny and always oily. And depending the face cream you use, do you understand, you'll start breaking out. But this is a face cream that is formulated to control oil production on your skin. It is lightweight and it is easy to absorb. Like, you have tried every type of face cream for oily skin people and it did not work for you. Get isntree green tea fresh emulsion moisturizer. It is very good. It is very good. You are going to love it. It's going to smoothen your face, plump your face, and help you to control breakout. If you have pimples on your face, acne on your face, this is that moisturizer that you can use even while you have acne on your face. Do you understand? So this one is very, very good. It is very, very good. It can be used by all skin types, but it is specially formulated for people with oily, acne prone skin. Now the second on my list is from Ghana, and that is the Ghana Skin Active Hyaluronic Aloe Daily Nourishing Cream. This particular one is very amazing. It is for both oily skin people and for dry skin people and for normal skin people. This face cream is, it's lightweight, but it is super moisturizing. It is going to smoothen, glow, and give you that youthful radiance. Remember, this video is all about glow, it's all about radiance, it's all about youthful smooth skin. So this one is going to give you that beautiful glow, that supple face. The infusion of the hyaluronic acid with aloe vera in this particular mixture is very superb in softening and giving that youthful radiance on the face. And this is a product that if you start using it every day on your face, like you use it as your daily face cream, your skin is going to start glowing, your facial texture is going to improve. If you have open pores and all of those things, your face is going to start getting smoother. This is a very good face cream, and Ghana is available everywhere. No matter where you're watching me from, I have Indian subscribers. Ghana is available in India, in Thailand, in Nigeria, Canada, US. It is everywhere. So you can get this Ghana Skin Active. It is very good. Now the third one on my list is specifically for people having severe dry skin. You have dry skin, and the moisturizer you are using presently is not doing a good job. I will recommend you try Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer for dry and extra dry skin. This particular one is infused with hyaluronic acid to help to deeply hydrate and moisturize your skin. This one also is very good. So that leads us to the two that I have here. So I'm going to start with this particular one. This is the one I used throughout last year, and this is the Snail Whitening Cream. Now this particular face cream is has snail mucin in it, and it also has collagen in it. This is a very good moisturizer. I've talked about it severally on my channel, and some of you that have gotten it also said that it is good. So if you're on a budget, this is the one I am totally going to recommend for you. This particular product works for people with dry skin, it works for people with oily skin, it works for people with acne prone skin. This is my own personal face cream I used throughout last year, and it was very good. Even some part of this year, it was very good. It is very good, and it's affordable. I think it still sells for like 3,000, 4,000 naira, 4,005, okay, depending where you are buying it from. So this is a very good daily face cream for glowing skin. This is going to glow your skin, okay. Yeah, the next one, which is the last one we are going to talk about, is this particular one. This is the Sador Pomegranate Face Brightening Cream. This is my current face cream, and that is what I personally used this morning. I have been using this particular face cream for a while now, and I am totally loving it, and that is why I am adding it to this particular list. This face cream is nice. It is a very good moisturizer. If you have oily skin, I have oily skin, and it is very good on me. But even if you have dry skin and your dry skin is not very severe, this is going to leave your skin moisturized. Like when I use it personally, from morning till night, it gives that glossy feel, it gives that shiny glowing skin. Like if you want your face to be glowing from morning till evening, this is the face cream for you on a budget. Like you're on a very tight budget, this face cream is going to leave your face glowing from morning till evening. This is what I'm using, and I'm not capping, okay. This is very This is very, very good. This is that face cream. Recently I've been using this face cream alone. I've not been using it with any facial serum, but when I use it, my face is just glowing. Do you understand? It just glows up the face. It gives this vibrance, it gives this vibrancy on the skin. It is very, very good. But this particular face cream has a notice for people for sensitive skin. So they said if you have sensitive skin, that you should do a patch test. After going through the ingredients, what I'm going to say is if you have active breakouts on your face, this might not be the face cream I'm going to recommend for you. If you have active breakouts on your face, go for the isntree green tea fresh emulsion moisturizer. That's the one I will recommend for you. Okay, but if you don't have any breakouts on your face, this face cream is very, very good in glowing the skin, in giving you all the nourishment you need for your skin. It has pomegranate extract, it has sodium hyalurate, which is hyaluronic acid, and it has allantoin. Allantoin is very, very good in soothing the skin, in repairing the skin, and all of those things. This face cream is very, very nice. So these are the 5 face creams that I'm going to be recommending to you to use on a daily basis. You can wear it out morning and night without having issues with the sun, without being concerned about your face getting darker. So yes, that is everything. If you have any questions about the products I talked about, if you have used any of them, let us know in the comment section. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Thank you for watching.